Hey, friends and neighbors, thanks for checking in and watching my market update that is reflecting back on July 2026 numbers. So now we are in the middle of August, looking back at what happened in July. Keep in mind, we have been living in a high interest rate environment. Unfortunately, interest rates hit the highest levels of the last 12 months during July, and that did slow down buyer activity. For the first time this year, we saw that sale pendings dropped below last year's numbers, and that is 100% interest rate related. So I need to remember every year, August is quiet, whether the rates are good or not. So to add higher interest rates on top of things just really slowed things down. So now that doesn't mean that the market is stalled. The market is actually still in good condition. We've got a decent balance of inventory and buyer demand, but the market is so much more price sensitivity. There's so much more negotiating power for buyers right now because there are some properties that have been on the market throughout the course of the summer and haven't sold, and this is the time for buyers to jump in when there's less competition of other buyers shopping, and we've got some properties that have sellers who are ready to sell. So I like to think of things and situations like this as an opportunity. Another thing that I've been hearing in the news is that there is a potential for a foreclosure crisis, and that is absolutely not the case. I'd certainly like to dispel that rumor and explain that most homeowners have such a strong amount of equity in their home because they have lived there for a long period of time, and they have a lower interest rate mortgage. Those two things combined make for great equity as well as price appreciation over the course of the last 10 years. So you may hear that foreclosures are increasing, but that is from a very, very, very low level. There is not a situation of the bottom falling out in the market. So I hope that September will bring us a little more activity. If interest rates get back in shape, we will have some more buyer activity because there's a lot of people waiting on the sidelines right now. In the meantime, I hope everybody has a wonderful rest of their summer and enjoy the sunshine. And if you are interested in joining us, we would absolutely love for you to come to our client appreciation event. We've sent out invitations to those folks who have worked with us over the course of the last few years, and anybody that has referred us business. We would like to say a big thank you and welcome you to a client appreciation event. So please reach out to either Kate, Terry, or myself for the details and be ready. We would love to extend that invitation. Thank you so very much, and best to everyone.